So now let's turn our focus to a critical yet overlooked aspect of the presidential debate, the body language of the contenders. While their words were carefully scrutinized, the non-verbal cues displayed by both the candidates added an additional layer, a layer of fence, defense and weapon. The debate was a high-energy event, with Trump and Harris exchanging sharp arguments on key issues facing the United States. The tone was set even before a single word was uttered. And as the clock struck 9 p.m. in Pennsylvania, Harris entered the stage exuding confidence with a head up and shoulders back. Harris strode confidently across the stage to shake Trump's hand. But Harris decided to come all the way over to Trump rather than stopping center stage to wait for the former president to meet her. And for the next 90 minutes, the women who had never met him before punctured him, bit by bit, triggering his annoyance and anger. Now, Harris appeared visibly tense in the beginning. In fact, body language experts say that signs of nervousness were pretty visible initially, but she regained her composure and confidence. In contrast, Trump started off more relaxed, given that this was not his first high-stakes appearance on the debate stage. He spent much of the debate night leaning forward with his hands on the podium. He would not even look at her even while making a point. Instead, he was pointing his finger over his Democratic rival without turning his head. On the other hand, Harris at times tilted or shook her head in disbelief. At one point, she even looked at Trump, putting her hand to her chin in an exaggerated gesture. It looked like she was listening to a child's day at school. Now, her expressions turned into an instant meme on social media. And Harris employed humor effectively throughout the debate, particularly when Trump made outlandish claims about immigrants. And her laughter served not only to undermine Trump's arguments, but also to showcase her confidence in addressing absurdity. So as the debate concluded, the candidates' contrasting styles were pretty evident. Trump exited the stage abruptly without acknowledging Harris, a stark departure from the handshake that initiated the evening. Now, experts say that this behavior reinforced the divide between the two candidates and underscored their conflicted ties. Overall, Harris's performance was a dramatic shift from what Democrats saw during President Joe Biden's debate in June, which was panned as a disaster for the party. It appeared Harris has had a lot to learn from that debate. The debate's visual dynamics were not just about who was more effective in their arguments. It was also about who had a stronger overall presence. Trump's assertiveness and Harris's composure provided voters with a nuanced understanding of their respective approaches to leadership.